Here's a new to me espresso maker. It actually makes a pretty good cup. It's really quite simple and requires an external heat supply. There's a pressure relief valve on the back for safety, and the cast aluminum has a nice, flat, machined bottom. It's pretty easy to disassemble for cleaning and for making coffee. All you have to do is unscrew it. And expose the internals. On the top half there's a filter to keep the coffee grounds out of the coffee, and a seal to keep the boiling water moving up through the coffee. On the bottom is the ground coffee receptacle and the pickup tube. The seal on the top forces the expanding boiling water up through the pickup tube, through the coffee, and then ultimately into the coffee cup. And if you check real quick, you can see that the pickup tube does reach down to the bottom of the water. So let's make some coffee. First we add the water up to the inner brim and then place the filter and pickup tube in its location. I happen to have some regular hazelnut coffee by Folgers that is not ground like an espresso, so we'll put that in the little cup. I flattened it off, cleaned off the rim for a good seal, and reassembled the espresso maker. The gas stove is the most convenient heat source I have. And after about 3 minutes of heating, the water starts to boil, pushing the heated water up through the coffee, through the tube, and into the cup. You need to turn the heat source off a little bit earlier so the steam doesn't destroy the foamy head on the coffee. All in all, it's really inconvenient, kind of a pain to use, but it does really make an excellent cup of coffee.